Hi everyone, to just finish off our mini lab, I want to do a little conclusion here, and I want to show you guys a site that can be made in Drupal. In fact, it's a site that we didn't select of the three options. It's the demo site. So the demo site gives us a little food magazine type setup. And as you can see, it's a pretty straightforward food magazine. If I click on a link to like the vegan brownies, it'll give me a description of them. It'll tell me what kind of categories it falls in. It gives me the prep time, cook time, number of servings, a list of ingredients, and recipes. So it has literally, well, in this case, probably dozens of different recipes that are in this magazine site. But this is just one of the tools that become available to you as you start to kind of explore more into the web development world. It's not just simple web pages. There's a lot more to it than that. With that, I would like to let you know that we're running a contest right now. Let me get myself out of the way here. And if you follow the link here, you're able to win something. I'm not 100% sure what it is, but it's a variety of things. I think there's some t-shirts, some mugs, and some other swag things that you can get. So be sure to fill out the contest. And if you want more information about web development or any other program that the college offers, especially through DL, make sure you fill out our information request form, and one of our staff will get back to you. That's it for the mini lab. I hope you found it interesting, and like I said, make sure that you sign up for the contest, and that if you have any other questions, just fill out the information request form, and we look very forward to helping you guys out as much as we can. Have a great day, and enjoy looking around at all the other things that are on the go for our open house. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.